Something fascinating is happening inside you. Right now, 100 trillion microscopic creatures are living and working in your body. It's true. In fact, only 10% of your cells contain your human DNA. The other 90% of you is bacteria, fungi, and microflora. It's a complex, microscopic social network, and it's called your microbiome. Everyone has a microbiome containing more than 10,000 species. Now more than ever, scientists are understanding these species and discovering how they affect your health. New science is proving that your microbiome directly affects your heart, your skin, and all your favorite organs. It affects your weight, your ability to exercise, and how you metabolize food. It can even affect your memory and your emotions. Too many of today's healthcare dollars are being wasted on battles against what we now know are simply the results of an imbalanced microbiome. But now, armed with a better than ever understanding of the microbiome, these battles can be won as we target health at its core. Your microbiome is important, it's powerful, it's controllable, and it's the key to unlocking your potential and achieving elite health.